equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the keyboard on your HP 15s-fq laptop. This task requires some basic tools and a bit of patience, but with our step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Make sure to have a small container handy to keep your screws organized. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power in the device. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in your container for easy access later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using your plastic spudger. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the cover in place. After removing the back cover, locate the battery connector and disconnect it to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Now, let's focus on the keyboard. You will need to remove the screws that secure the keyboard in place. These are usually located around the edges of the keyboard. Again, use your Phillips head screwdriver for this task. If you're unsure about the number of screws, refer to your laptop service manual for guidance. With the screws removed, gently lift the keyboard from the top edge. Be cautious, as there may be a ribbon cable connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab on the connector. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help. Once the old keyboard is removed, it's a good idea to clean the area underneath. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure that your new keyboard fits snugly and functions properly. Now, take your new keyboard and connect the ribbon cable to the motherboard. Make sure it's securely in place before pressing down the locking tab. Once connected, gently lower the keyboard into position and replace the screws you removed earlier. After securing the keyboard, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Make sure all clips are properly aligned before pressing down to snap it back into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back cover to secure it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. No calls, no travel, just a simple service at your convenience. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. Ensure that all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect before proceeding with any further work. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your HP 15s-fq laptop. With the right tools and a bit of patience, this task can be completed in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.